Women use large nose plugs to block their noses. All they do is make themselves ugly. This is the Apatani village, located on the border of China and India. Every woman here has a pair of round black nose plugs. They start wearing these nose plugs from the age of 10, and they will accompany them throughout their lives. As they grow older, the nose plugs also change from small to large. This woman is 75 years old this year. She has been wearing nose plugs for 65 years. At the beginning, she did not adapt well to wearing them, often feeling difficulty in breathing, experiencing dizziness every day. But as time goes by, she slowly gets used to the presence of the nose plugs. Due to long-term wearing, her nose has been severely compressed. The reason for this custom exists is because the Apatani village is famous for its beautiful women. Because the women are good-looking, there are more people coveting them, especially traders and passers-by. They would settle in the village and then lure the women away by deceitful means. The number of women in the village is decreasing, so they chose this method through voting. And as time passes, wearing nose plugs has become a custom. Women without nose plugs are considered outsiders. Men dare not marry them, but they are unaware that this custom is harmful to women. With the education and knowledge spread in modern society, modern women have abandoned this outdated custom. If it were you, do you think these nose plugs are attractive?